What's up, guys? It is currently 9 p.m. at night. Let it focus in there. But we're going to be taking a little night ride in the GT4RS. I love going on rides at night because we're in Miami. The traffic is so bad, it's literally impossible to drive during the day. So we're going to meet up with my boy who has a Ferrari F8 Tributo Spider. Crazy car. And these cars are both like so built out, bro. They're so loud. We're about to tear them down the streets of Miami. Or shall I say Mexico for legal purposes. But yeah, without further ado, about to hop into the garage, go get in the car, and get right back with you. Got the biggest guy in Miami right there. All I can say, bro, when you have private elevators, like look at this. This is my elevator right here. This is my apartment right here. Opens up right into it. It might seem like the best thing in the world, but in reality, the amount of time you have to wait for these elevators just makes it not worth it. Like, bro, when they're delivering packages during the day, I can be waiting for 10, 15 minutes just to get my elevator, like, up to my floor so that I can go down. They don't tell you this, guys, but the one disadvantage to having a bunch of cars, having all of this stuff, is literally just the logistics of it. I'm about to show you exactly why. I have the Porsche right here. I have the BMW right here. And in order to even get out of my parking spot with the Porsche, I have to move the BMW first. It's like a complete hassle. But yeah, we're about to move the cars real quick. Yo, so this is super random, but this guy who lives in my building, we're about to drive past one of his cars right now, but he's the owner of a trendy e-commerce store that some of you guys might know about. We're gonna zoom in right here. I don't know if you can see it from right here, but this is Honey Packs, the viral get hard method, as some would say. And we're about to go meet up with him real quick. He has a bunch of cars. Dope guy. I've never actually met him before, which is crazy. But yeah, we're about to just go chop it up with him real quick. Alright, so I just met up with the owner of Honey Packs. He's selling his supercharged R8 right now. I want you guys to let me know if this is a good deal. He's looking for, what was it, 120K. It's a 2018 supercharged rear-wheel drive R8 with 43,000 miles. In my eyes, that's an amazing deal, bro, because that's $60,000, $80,000 in mods that I won't have to do. So I'm gonna think on that, maybe get rid of the M3 in the next week or two, but let's just see. Guys, I wanted to hop in the middle of the video right here and just say one thing. I dropped a completely free training in the description below. It is to teach you how to do content automation scaling. Content automation scaling has made me over $3 million in the last 5 years. It is my primary business model. It's how I make all my money. It's how I afford all my cars, everything, my lavish lifestyle and all that. So if you guys want to get a little glimpse into how you could start that as well, I dropped a completely free training video, and all you have to do is put in your email and it'll get sent to you right away. So without further ado, let's get back into the video, guys. I almost just totaled my 2023 GT4RS, being a dumbass with traction control off. Huh? I cannot hear my car. What do you mean? When I'm behind you, I cannot hear my car. Oh, mine's so fucking loud, bro. Yo, all I can say, it might be Miami Music Week right now, but it's crazy to me how there's still so many people outside, like doing other stuff. Like, bro, Miami just has like this endless supply of people who want to like go out and like enjoy the nightlife and stuff. And we might have to be one of them. Here we go, a little revuelto. guys as viewers, but personally, these are some of my favorite videos to record because it's not me talking about like all the scripted like guru stuff or like breaking down kind of like, I guess, the actual technical side of things. I honestly just love showing the result of what you can achieve and the lifestyle that you can live and just all of that stuff at such a young age if you literally lock in for a couple years. And I never mean for it to come across in like a bragging type way, and I hope you guys don't take it like that, because I always try to humble myself every single day. I remember that I am but a small microcosm of this world, and everything that I do honestly is just for my own personal self-improvement, for my own personal satisfaction, to live a fun life, to live an enjoyable life. I'm never trying to compare myself to others. At the end of the day, I am so appreciative for the life that I am being able to live at such a young age, and I just want to emphasize that every day. But just don't let that get by you. Always make sure that you take care of yourself, you have balance in your life, and that you just focus on so many things. Have a fun life as well. Don't forget, don't get too caught up in all this stuff. I know it's fun. I know the cars are amazing. I know that striving for that dream is the best thing in the world, but don't get too caught up in it. And one last thing, guys, I did drop a completely free tutorial, free training on content automation scaling. That is my business model that makes me over $100,000 per month. We're about to clear $120,000 this month. And I would love for you guys to go check it out. It's gonna be in the description below, completely free. All you have to do is put in your email and it'll literally send it to you right there. So yeah, guys, without further ado, have an amazing night. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.